Have you ever wondered how creators make viral, faceless YouTube videos and turn them into a steady stream of income? Today I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step, so you can start creating your own monetizable content without ever showing your face. At the end, I have a one smart solution as well for all the things. You just have to type and everything will be ready for you. So do not miss this and watch till the end. Step 1. Pick a trending topic and high quality editing. The first step to creating a viral video is selecting a trending topic. Always tap into what's already popular, whether it's a viral challenge, hot news, or an emerging trend. Next, combine this with high-level editing. Your video needs to be visually engaging, but you don't need to be an expert. Start by choosing a good voiceover using tools like 11 Labs, which offers various tones to match your style perfectly. Step 2. Use AI for scripts, visuals, and more. Here's where AI can save you tons of time. Use ChatGPT-4 to write your scripts according to your guidelines. It's quick, easy, and customizable to any tone or topic. Once your script is ready, match it with relevant visuals. You can source these from YouTube or stock footage websites, or even generate them using AI tools like Kling or Haiper AI. This way, your visuals are perfectly aligned with your voiceover and grab attention instantly. Step 3. Editing and sound effects. When editing, whether you use CapCut or Adobe Premiere, focus on the essentials. Text overlays to highlight key points, animations and transitions to keep the viewer hooked, sound effects and copyright-free background music to give your video energy and emotion. These elements bring your content to life and make it more engaging for your audience. Step 4. Create thumbnails. That pop your video's thumbnail is crucial for attracting clicks. If you're new to this, Canva is an excellent tool for creating thumbnails that are simple but visually compelling. Remember, your thumbnail should appeal to your target audience's psychology and instantly grab attention. Final step, the easy way out. Now, if all this sounds like a lot of work, here's the smart solution I mentioned at the start. You can hire an expert on Fiverr who will handle everything for you, from channel setup to monetization. This way you can focus on your life or business while they take care of your YouTube success. The link is in the description below, so there you have it. How to create viral, monetizable, faceless YouTube videos without ever showing your face. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.